Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we are diving into the latest market updates for Indianapolis, Carmel, and Greenwood, which form the Indianapolis Metro. This week, I'll be having two sections of market updates. One is the market trends, and the other is the area market survey. So I hope you find value in what I have to offer today and stick around to see what the markets have in store for us. All right. So just at the outset, we are looking at interest rates. Now, 30-year fix is at about a 7.05%. That is ticked up slightly from about a 6.9% as of December. 15-year fix, 6.45%. A jumbo loan, if that is something that you're looking at, is at 7.33%. And then, of course, an FHA and a VA are slightly closer to each other at about a 6.45 and a 6.46%. Market analysis. Well, this is just an overview of what we have from August 2024 up to end of Jan 2025. New listings 928 in August 2024. We're down to 633 in the month of January for obvious reasons. Not many people are moving around this time of the year. But yeah, we'll go into much more detail with regards to the graph that we have on here. So new versus sold listings. This is an important update. So as we see, the new listings are say 886 October of 2024, and then we went down to number of listings that's sold to about 670. So there's a slight lag there, which means there are more listings coming up, but fewer listings being sold. Somewhat equal in the month of November 2024, 630 new listings, 587 listings that got sold. So we have seen the absorption rate decrease from August of 2024 up to November of 2024, and then a slight difference, fewer listings coming up in December, and some more listings getting absorbed. 394 new listings, 591 sold. So yeah, that was more about the holiday season, people moving into new homes, and fewer listings coming on market. And that is a significant change as we see in the month of January. 397 listings sold versus 633 new listings. So that is an important metrics that we may have to look into going into the rest of 2025. So we are in February right now, but yeah, this is just market updates for the month of August 2024 to Jan 2025. Average days on market. So yes, going back to my previous slide, like we see the days on market are increasing as we move into August 2024 all the way up to Jan 2025, and this is something we can take a look into when we go into the area market survey. That would give us a better idea of where we are with respect to this metric. Sales price list price ratio. This is another key indicator that I look into. So pretty much neck to neck in the month of August and September. And that ticked up slightly in the month of November, December. That's more of the buying season where you have buyers looking to get into the market, and like we've seen fewer listings coming on market. So bigger absorption rate, and hence you would see homes selling a little more than what they are asking for. January 2025, well, pretty much neck to neck. We will look to see how this moves into as we go into the rest of the year. So now the area market survey. Active listings, and these are based on price points and their respective days on market. So for obvious reasons, homes, price up to the 649, 650,000. The days on market are somewhat around the 239. That seems a little too high, but yeah, that is what the data is telling me. I may have to check into seeing some more information if this should be accurate. But yeah, moving into sold listings and their respective days on market. So properties from the 300 to 399 range, as we see, the days on market are about at 26. Same with 43. So up onto a 450,000, I feel it's closer to the median price point that we typically look into. And then again, based on fewer listings in the price points of about 700 and above, we see a gradual increase in the days on market. And yeah, moving to expired listings. This is something that we would want to take a look into moving into the rest of the year. But average days on market for listings that have expired. Well, for properties from a 200 to 249 range, we have them at about 196. 202 for properties between a 350 to 399,000. That has significantly increased as we go into a higher price point, which is a 650 to 699,000. For obvious reasons, we would need to look into pricing properties correctly. So if you're a seller, I feel that pricing it appropriately based on market conditions, and I do a supply demand analysis for all my clients, but it would be imperative for the pricing to be just right when we hit the market versus chasing that down, as the days on market accrue on that property. So yes, that is pretty much it for today. I thought I'd keep it short and simple. I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoy the content and want to see more of such market updates, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. Your support is very much appreciated, and feel free to share your experiences, thoughts, and feedback in the comment section below. Until next time, take care, and I hope you find this content insightful. Have a nice, cool February.